What is up, you guys? It's your boy Deuce, back with another video. Man, I know it's been a little minute. I apologize that I did not put out a video last week. I have been going through some stuff personally, taking care of some things, just had a lot on my mind. Haven't really been able to really take the time out to edit and, get on here and talk to y'all. But, hey, we here and we back. So make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment. Today I want to talk to y'all a little bit about patience. And man, it is so hot out here. Like, this Alabama weather ain't nothing to play with. Like, it is literally 101 degrees outside. I'm gonna turn the camera around, look. Literally 101 degrees. Well, yeah, 101 degrees right now. And I am getting ready to head to the gym in my all black, my body armor. Hey, y'all, shout out Body Armor. They need to go ahead and see your boy. Go ahead and sponsor your boy. Real talk. I want to talk to y'all a little bit about patience, because a lot of people tend to want to rush things, and especially me. I say a lot of people, but I mean me. Like, I tend to want to have a lot of things going on, try to do a lot of things at one time, which isn't, it's not bad, but it's also not good. Sometimes you just gotta sit back, and sometimes you just gotta let God reveal things to you. And we're on His time, and like, this isn't our time. Sometimes we try to get ahead of ourselves, and sometimes we try to force things that aren't meant to be. One of my biggest problems is probably like, I'll see something or God will reveal something to me, and in my mind I think I gotta have it now. Tomorrow's not guaranteed. Like that's just my mindset of thinking, which I need to tweak that and change that a little bit. Yes, tomorrow's not guaranteed. Yes, you're supposed to live every day like it's your last, but with certain things you gotta have patience. Like, just because God reveals something to you, or just because you think that's what you want to do, or it might be what God has planned for you, but it just might not be for you right now. Like, you might see it, and it's like a little kid. You like, dang, I want that right now. I can't have it. If you don't get it, you get a temper tantrum, or you throw a little fit like a little kid do. And sometimes we just have to sit back, check ourselves, humble ourselves sometimes, and just be appreciative for what we do have, and be appreciative of the time and the opportunities that we have in front of us, because they could be going like that instantly. Like, we take for granted a lot of things, and the things that we take for granted, they can easily be taken from us. But we just gotta learn to trust the journey. We just gotta learn to keep pushing, keep striving for greatness. Hopefully my schedule clears up a little bit, so I'm able to put out more videos, more videos where I'm coming on here speaking like this, more story time videos. Not only that, but also more workout videos. And then of course I want to just branch out and do a little more. Like, I don't want to just be confined to just workout videos, motivational videos. I mean, yeah, don't get me wrong, these are cool, and I like doing these because I feel like I can connect with a bunch of people. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you guys enjoy this workout that we're about to do. Smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. Also hit that bell so you can get a notification anytime I post a new video. But that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. It's your boy Deuce, and we out.